We gaze at the night sky, yearning for connection, whispering hopes into the vast unknown. But are we alone? Tonight, we embark on a quest to unravel the Arecibo Message, a celestial whisper sent into the cosmic ocean, a testament to humanity's bold attempt to reach beyond our solitary world. In 1968, amidst the hum of Cold War tensions and the thrill of the space race, a giant ear was born. Nestled in the verdant hills of Puerto Rico, the Arecibo Observatory rose, its colossal dish poised to capture the universe's whispers. Arecibo wasn't just a telescope, it was a transmitter, a voice capable of slicing through the cosmic static. And on November 16, 1974, that voice spoke, sending a message encoded in 1,679 binary digits hurtling towards the globular star cluster Messier 13, 25,000 light-years away. This wasn't just a random broadcast, it was a carefully crafted message, a self-portrait of humanity. It depicted our planet, our DNA, the numbers, and chemical building blocks that define us. A tiny beacon launched into the abyss, carrying the hope of finding kindred spirits amidst the celestial silence. The Arecibo Message wasn't designed for immediate reply. It was a time capsule destined to reach generations yet unborn in a distant star system. But decoding its secrets became a thrilling human endeavor. Scientists analyzed the binary sequence, searching for patterns, seeking the key to unlock its hidden language. The message is surprisingly simple, yet deceptively ingenious. It uses prime numbers as a kind of universal language, hoping any advanced civilization would recognize them as mathematical building blocks. It's a puzzle, a conversation starter, a way to announce our presence and invite dialogue. Though decades have passed, the message remains largely unanswered. But the search continues, fueled by the unwavering hope that somewhere, amidst the billions of stars, another intelligence might be deciphering our cosmic calling card. Even if an answer never arrives, the Arecibo Message's legacy transcends mere communication. It reminds us of our shared human journey, our collective curiosity, and our unwavering dream of connection. It is a testament to our scientific ambition, a symbol of our desire to break the boundaries of isolation and join the cosmic conversation. The Arecibo Message is a mirror reflecting our humanity. It tells the story of our planet, our science, our art, our hopes and dreams. It's a message not just for aliens, but for ourselves, a reminder of who we are as a species and the extraordinary journey we're on. The Arecibo whisper, though faint, still echoes across the cosmos. It carries a message of unity, a testament to our common origins and shared aspirations. It whispers a promise that even in the vastness of space, we are not alone in our yearning for connection, for wonder, for understanding. While the universe holds its secrets close, the Arecibo Message reminds us that we are not simply inhabitants of a pale blue dot. We are explorers, storytellers, and dreamers, forever reaching for the stars, hoping one day to hear a reply whispered back in the cosmic breeze.